Hi guys, my group and I will be presenting on 328 Katong Laksa, and the title of our project will be 52 years of Katong Laksa. So, this is our definition of Singapore's food heritage. Singapore's food heritage is like a culture. Katong Laksa first originated in Singapore and it has been passed down from generations after generations. It carries a significant trait and it can be created with a combination of the 4 different races in Singapore, namely Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Eurasian. In continuation, Singapore's food heritage has been recognized globally and will continue to be franchised overseas as well. Now, I'll be talking about the founder of Katong Laksa. She started in 1998 and she has been in this industry for 19 years. She wakes up at 6 am every day. And lastly, Katong Laksa is not a family trade. This person that I'm talking about is Miss Lucy Koh, who is currently 54. So now, let's watch her story.
就是我喜欢煮，说再加上说我住在这个katong这一带，说刚巧那个coffee shop 的那个laksa没有做，所以我才去做的。就因为以前这边住的是2个人，所以他的这个laksa呢是在这边启发的。我们这边总行呢本身是9点到9点。 说其他有些是跟着 follow 他们的这个手臂那边，差不多应该是9点，只有上去那边靠近一间蛇笼路那边上，那边到了10点。应该是不会的，因为在这个行业，我没有，就算是我没有做，其他人也是有做，只是这个口味适不适合大众化。 我也希望说，我孩子继续做，可能他做的方法是可能比较跟上一季的呢。因为我做的时候是比较有古早的这个手法做。那个汤不是炖的，是去煮的。以我有经验的话呢，我差不多半个钟头9个字这样。